Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, this is the episode number 9 of English speaking challenge, and I forget to record every day for a minute in English, but I will try next week. And uh, till episode number 9 I am saying I will try and not trying, because usually I forget, or whenever I remember this thing, I have to do so lots of work. So it's so I have no time to do this thing uh, for daily, but I will try my best this week at least to do my best in episode number 10. But episode number nine's performance is in front of your eyes. I started speaking in English from the start of the beginning of the video. So this video is complete. So in this video I completely speak in English and try my best to improve my accent, and and do not stop like this again and again, that because this is very disgusting and very irritating. Whenever you are listening to someone, and the other person is irritated and is stopping and speaking like this. So and this is very unprofessional by also. So continue. So I have to continue speaking in English, and I try to do at least for 6 to 7 minutes, and I will try my best to speak in English frequently, and speak like I am an American or other person, or I am a trained person in speaking in English. And I think almost 2.45 minutes. I oh, I mean almost 3 minutes are passed, and still I am still no improvement. I literally forget the words that I want to say. I I uh, for the last 3 minutes, for the last 2 minutes, I am thinking uh, that I am not yet said to subscribe my channel or and like my video. So do it now if you are watching me till now. So I think half of my challenges, half of my time is gone, and still no improvement. By the way, I noticed when I capture my mobile from this side, the voice is so much, the voice is loud, and when I capture like this, the voice is little bit low. Can you uh, can you feel the change? Can you feel the change in this moment? Because when I hold my phone from my right hand, my left hand is free, and when I hold from my left hand, my right hand is free. So when my right hand is free, the voice is little bit low and little bit noisy. But when my left hand is free, my phone is in my right hand, then my voice is so much clear. It is because I think it's because there there is a mic in the right side of the phone, uh, and I am recording it from my front camera. So when I hold it from it in the right hand, so I cover I cover which covers the mic, from the other noise, and which makes my voice so clear. Because if, for example, if I hold the mobile from left hand, there is so much noise around the mic that will make my voice low, and make the video noisy. So I I choose to hold my phone in my right hand. I am discussing about my phone and my uh, phone holding from the last 2 minutes, because I am trying to pass my time, because I till now I have no speech or no anything that I want to say. This is the just English speaking challenge, and I am trying to talk normally. I am just trying to talk normally. I am not here to give you a lesson. I try to give you a lesson, like we have to do work properly, and the main thing is we have to do all the important work, all the important work before, without wasting, and without wasting time, and without thinking I have a lots of time, so I will do it as I will do it after some time. It will literally late. It will literally late your work, or sometimes you are unable to do that work, or you are and or you become and you or you are late for the other works you have planned. So it is important to do all the important work at least before the time, because if I explained it already. So this is the today's video, and I am in my opinion this video is not good, and there is not such improvement in my English speaking. And so I have to get a training, or I have to at least watch some videos from English creators to learn how to speak English properly. I think they have a proper script, and English is their mother's language, so there is no problem in speaking English for them. But me as a Asian, this is a very big problem, because my mother tongue is Urdu, and I also live in Punjab, and there is Punjabi in my in my state. I forget the see. I am forgetting the simple words in confusion of English. Just that does not mean I don't know the words. It it means it is just confusion that comes when I try to speak in English, and this is very shameful for me, because 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 forget anything else. I am recording part 9 of this series, and still not improved, not improved myself a little bit. So still not improved myself a little bit. So this is very shameful, and this is very unprogressive work. So I tried So I will try next week to do it, and so I will try next week and try to improve my English speaking, because today English speaking is a skill and it is very important to to have a good English communication skills, good communication skills, and if you have English communication skills, it is a plus point. So I am trying to speak in English because I want to get this skill, but still I am there. So I will try next week to do my best, and in during the week I will try to take some lectures in English, so I will improve it in the next time. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like this video. I will see you in next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Goodbye.